DS diving service here. It is 5:25:23. We are at 2 Birdies. I've cleaned the port trim tab and the port outboard mounting bracket. You can see that's very nice and white and shiny to there, and then it looks like that over there. I'm going to show you the bottom too. There's a lot of nooks and crannies. This is as good as I can get the bracket, but it will have barnacles probably again in 10 days. So just keep that in mind. But here it is. Those little white spots are glue. I scraped on it for probably about 20 minutes. That's just as good as I can get it. The big barnacles are gone. The trim tab does need a zinc. I'm going to see if I have one in my car when I get finished up. It was barnacle laden too. Let's look at the bottom. Now for comparison, let's look at this outboard bracket over here. And let's look at this trim tab. So I'm going to get her all cleaned up. I hope I have a couple of R3s or R4s in here. If I do, I will get those put on. That looks a lot better. I will tell you, within 10-15 days, that is, well, maybe even 5 days, that's not going to look white anymore. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.